In this video, we will show how to register on Invest app. Firstly, on registration screen, you have the option to register using email or Google account or Apple ID. For email, you will be asked to enter your details in the above shown fields. For password, you need to follow all of the given guidelines. Create account button will be enabled once all the fields are satisfied. On completion, you will be sent an 6-digit OTP to the email you registered under. On verification, you will be asked to enter your PAN ID. If your KYC is verified, it will be shown in this method. If it isn't, you will be prompted to complete your KYC using either video-based or Aadhaar-based verification. Post your KYC, you will be taken to the page where you can set up your profile, either by creating a new folio or linking your existing folios. In case of existing folios associated with this PAN, you will be shown those here and you can click on Link Folio to link these to your account. On clicking, you will be sent a OTP on your linked mobile number as well as email ID. On verifying, your folio would be linked to your account and you can start your investment journey.